Hi, I am Harsha from Singapore. I had joined PGP online data science course from Careerera since May 2021. I have learned basics of Python and currently learning NLP. I would like to mention that faculties here in Careerera are really good and knowledgeable, and my career counselor is also very supportive. I always get support from my career counselor whenever I have any query. So with this, I am looking forward to complete my data science course and get a job in this field. Thank you.